students, today we will talk about past and present. Okay, so to understand past and present, first you must know about doing words. Doing words, which we have done earlier, okay, means action words. Beta, doing words in a sentence helps us to know the time, means it indicates that the action which is mentioned in a sentence is happening regularly, or has already happened, or it will happen. Okay, so like you know about that today means aaj. Okay, when we talk about the time which is going on, okay, and like always, now, so these are the words which we use to show that action is taking place, or action goes on regular basis, or it is in habit. Okay, like I play cricket on Sunday. So it is in my routine that on every Sunday I play cricket. So that the things which are in routines, or which always happen, or it happened that time or now, so that comes in the time of present, that calls present tense or present time. Okay, means time which is going on or which goes on, means the things which happen regularly. For that we use present doing words. You can call it present doing words, like eat, sleep. Okay, now some doing words in a sentence when are used to show that the action has already taken place, means the action has taken place before. Okay, so means the time which has passed off, like yesterday, last day, before. These words when used in a sentence, then we come to know that the action has already taken place, the action has done before, things have done before. So the things which have done before, earlier, or yesterday, or last day, that calls past tense, and in that we use past doing words. We can call it past doing words, verbs which are used in past form. Okay, and some and doing word which tells that action will take place in future, like tomorrow, next day, is called future tense. Okay, so means the time is divided into present tense, past tense, future tense. Present means today, always, now. Past means yesterday, last day, before. Or future means tomorrow or next day. When such so when you will get these such words, so you can identify that in which time period the action is taking place, whether it goes on, the action goes on, or it has done before, or it will happen in future. Now we will only talk about past and present. Future tense we'll study later. In past tense, as in the chapter, the topic doing words, I told you that we add s or es to the singular when the sentence begins with singular naming words. Okay, or singular noun, means one person. When we talk about one person, or we use some pronouns like he, she, it, then in that sentence we add s or es to the verbs, like eats, sleeps, okay, catches, go will become goes. Okay, and if the sentence begins with plural nouns, plural naming words, means if the sentence is talking about more than one person, then we don't add anything to the doing word. Like as I told you, eat, and some pronouns also, like with I, they, you, we don't add s or es in the present tense if the sentence begins with I, they, you, we, or plural nouns like books. So books help us to be smart. Okay, so help, here we have not added s or es. Done. In past tense we add ed to the doing word, whether it starts with singular noun, plural noun, or with any pronoun, but to the, we first identify the doing word and then we add ed to the doing word. And there are certain doing words in which we can't add ed, we change them, they are changed differently. Like in this book you can see that go is used in present tense, but in converting into past tense, go becomes went. In place of go we use went. In place of sing, in present tense we change sing into sang. Draws change into drew. Run changes into ran. Wears change into wore. Teaches changes into taught. Similarly, eat changes into ate. Okay. Wears changes into wore. Keep changes into kept in past tense. Okay. So in present tense we use simple tenses like which we have already learned in verbs, in doing words chapter, like we don't add, either we add s or es or we don't add anything. So that verb is, that doing word, those doing words are used in present tense. And in the tense where sentence where we add ed or we change the verb, change the doing word like go into went and sing into sang, that then those sentences becomes the sentences of past tense. Okay, so this you will learn, that go becomes went, this you have to memorize. Okay, so that's all about this exercise, this chapter, this topic. If you have any queries, send me your queries on e-feedback. Thank you.